The National STEM Academy's Technology Lab currently has 24 computers that are over 10 years old, and the hardware and software is outdated. Many of them do not work properly, and the ones that do not have the processing speed or RAM to run the needed software for our 3D printers, robotic kits, or other technology equipment. Cord control is also an issue with the number of desktops and accessories required to run both the computers and equipment. Upgrading to new gaming laptops will allow us to teach AutoCAD and 3D design as well as coding and programming. Computer and information system managers are the second highest paying STEM occupations and are in extremely high demand in the workforce now. Please consider supporting our efforts to upgrade the Technology Lab so that we may continue meeting the needs of students and teachers with excellent, innovative programming.